Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will learn what is mapping load and how we can use it. Mapping load is a type of load in Qlik script which is used to create a mapping table, and this table later on we can use to replace field values and field names. This is the syntax of mapping load. First of all, we have to create a table which contains only two fields. The first field is the field which is used to be mapped, and second field is the desired mapping value field. We can use this mapping load with the load statement or select statement. There are few rules which we need to consider before using the mapping load. First one is there should be only two fields in the mapping table. Second one is we need to use mapping prefix before the load or select statement. Third one is we also need to make sure that the mapping table should not have duplicate values. What will happen if we have duplicate values? I will show you by example. Once we create this mapping table, we can use the content of the map table by ApplyMap or map using statement. In today's video, I will show you how we can use ApplyMap. I will show you simple two tables which we are going to use for today's mapping load. We have two tables here. First one is the order table and second one is the product table. Product ID is common between these two tables, and our objective is to get product name here in an order table. To save our time, I have loaded product table here and I have loaded order table here, and I have created at the front end. The first one is the order table. This is a state table with order table and another state table with the product table. Even if we simply add product here, we are going to get this product name here because of the association between order and product table. But I don't want this product table here. I want product to appear in the order table. So to do that, we can even do the left join. So I can do something like this, and I can say left join orders, and then I will get a single table here with product ID and product name. I can even drop product ID, and now there is only a single table, and you can see now we don't have those products for which we don't have orders. And we'll see what is the quantity and price. So I will add here quantity multiply by price as total sales, and then I will create here total sales, and we get something like this. Okay, the main reason behind using the mapping load is it is faster compared to the join. So as per the rule, we have to load this product table first, and I have to use this mapping prefix here, and now I have to get this product name here. So to do that, I have to use ApplyMap, and in a single quote I have to use this map table name, then the field which is common between order and product table. So the field which is being used for the mapping. So the field is product ID. So I can use product ID here, and the third parameter I will use as null, and I will give the name product name. Now when I load this table, we will get product name here, and there will be only single table which is an order table. So what happened with this product table? So as soon as the script execution finish, this mapping table will be dropped automatically from the script, because this mapping table, when you use this mapping prefix, these mapping tables are created temporarily in the memory and they are dropped automatically after script execution. So the first parameter is the table name, which we have to use in a single quote. The second parameter is field name, which we are going to map, and the third parameter is optional. We will see one by one all of them. When we create any mapping table, we use keyword map, so you can easily identify that this table is used for mapping load. There is no need that this product ID and this product ID have the same name. We can use any name here, say field A as field B. It will make no difference to the final result, because this product ID is coming from order table and we are not going to match product ID field name with this field name, but the end result will be the product name based on the field value of product ID and field value of field A, and the result which we are getting as product name is actually the value of field B. So now we will load it and we will still get the same result. Here the product is actually product name. So now you can see we are getting the same result. Now what is the third parameter here? The third parameter is optional. We will see how we can use the third parameter. Say we have another order, order number 14 for customer AAA. Product ID is P100 and the quantity is 10 piece and price is 1200. I will save this one and I will load this. So here you can see we are getting null. So when the value of product ID not match with any value of field A, in that case it will replace with the null. So for matching value we are getting value from field B, but for non-matching value we are getting null here. So you can see we are getting null here, but instead of null I can even write no product name. So we will now, instead of null, we will now get no product name, or we can say unknown product. Now we will see what will happen if we have duplicate values. So say in product, for product 001, we have duplicate values here. I will say here the previous value is new and by mistake or somehow we have duplicate values like this. So because P001 is duplicate, what result we are going to get? This or this result? We will see when we will load it. So I will load this and we will get the result for P001 is the all-in-one PC new. So when you have duplicate values in the mapping table, you will get result based on the first value which is loaded from the table. So I will write something like this, and if I will load this table, I will get the value which is loaded first. So you need to make sure that you should have distinct values in a mapping table. What will happen if I will use the left join? I will load this and now we should have product field as well. So now you can see by using the left join or any join, we have duplication of rows for the cells and you are getting the wrong cells. But when you use mapping load and apply map, the rows will not get duplicated and you will get result based on the first value which is loaded. I will now remove the duplicate values. What will happen if I will not use this default mapping? This default mapping, which is the third parameter, it will give you result when there is no matching field values. This is optional. If I will not use the default mapping, then this field value, product ID field value, will come as a result instead of field B values. So for the line number 14, we haven't used the default mapping. So when we don't have any product ID matching from the product table to the order table, we will get P100, which is the product ID as it is. And if I will use default mapping, then I will get the no product here as the default mapping. Hope this is clear how to use mapping load. In next video, we will see few more things in mapping load. Till then, thanks and have a good day.